Hey y'all, you know what time it is. Woo-hoo-hoo. Just got home and it was waiting on me. So excited. November. Yes. Have some of that fun. Let's see. Oh, it's a scarf. Hairstylist Infinity scarf. Look how cute. It says love and passion. Oh, this is so cute and it's so soft. Ooh, clips. Oh, these are so cute. Yes, love them. What is this? Oh, it's a cup. Yes. I'm only as strong as the coffee I drink and the hairspray I use. Oh, that is so cute. It's got like a little lid. I love that. Love it. Primping ain't easy. It's a sleep mask. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, last thing. Ooh, a cape. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, and it feels so good. Oh, y'all, this is so cute. All right, so salon cape. We got our scarf, cup, mask, and clips. Oh, this was such a great box. Yay!